explain you the different aspects of our robot and challenges we have faced this year with it. To start, we are going to go through the different facts about our robot. First, we named the robot the Minion, because minions always do what they're told, and that's what we want our robot to do. There's one light sensor under the robot and 2 touch sensors on the back. We have 3 motors on the robot, 2 that drive the robot in the front and 1 on the back. Our robot has 6 programs written with LEGO Mindstorm software. We can get a total of 214 points when everything works. The programs use 220 kilobytes of memory in total. Our robot has 8 attachments that we use throughout the rounds and uses 2 of them twice in a round to keep our robot simple. Now we move on to the design details, starting with our design process.
We've had 2 robots this season. We started with a taller robot at the beginning of the season, but the arm motor was in a bad place. So we built a smaller, more compact robot. We made the attachment and other design changes and tested them using our 4 out of 5 rule. The 4 out of 5 rule is our system for testing changes. If the change worked 4 out of 5 times, we kept it. If not, we tried something else. This way, everybody's ideas were given a chance.
Strategy. We knew that our robot and programming had to be fast, but we wouldn't give up consistency for speed. Also, we worked out how to get as many points in our run by combining our missions. When putting together our missions, pest removal was first because we had to get the 15-point rat before the other team got it. Our most consistent missions are corn harvest and fishing, and our least consistent mission is pest removal. My favorite mission is corn harvest because it works the most and gets the points the fastest.
In our programming, we try to keep our robot smart. By smart, we mean programming the robot to know where it is with as many sensors as possible. We started every mission with a square to wall my block to straighten our robot before the mission.
Mechanical design. Early in the season, we tested our motors and picked 2 that seemed to steer the robot the straightest. In our mechanical design, we keep our robot compact and have a balanced weight. This year, we have used magnets to make our attachment changes faster. We added a gearbox to our robot design so our arm motor could be sideways, but the arm would still go up and down. We also added a wheel to the side of the robot for the last mission to glide it along the walls, keeping the robot straight.
Innovation. This season we built 2 one-way gate type attachments. One to get the fish and the other to get the trailer. For our attachments, we used more axles than beams for the arms to make them lighter and faster. Also, we think our gearbox is cool because the sound it makes when it goes up and down.
Last but not least, fun. A funny thing about one of our attachments is that everyone on the robot team has broken the attachment sooner or later during the season. We had fun watching our robot get its maximum points together. It was also fun to make our own video of our robot getting 201 points and uploading it to YouTube to share with other teams.
With a salmonella-contaminated raindrop falling into a jar of peanut butter.
Yay! Peanut butter! It's peanut butter time!
The next week at the school cafeteria.
Hey Sally, it's the next week.
Okay, Timmy.
Look what I got. A peanut butter sandwich.
I got a processed, refined, and chemically engineered Lunchable.
That sounds delicious.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get my popcorn.
The next day.
Timmy, are you okay? You don't look so good.
No, I'm not okay. I have bloody stools, chills, diarrhea, fever, headache, nausea, muscle pains, and vomit.
What?
Bloody stools, chills, diarrhea, fever, headache, muscle pains, nausea, and vomit.
Okay. Let's get you to the nurse.
Hello, I'm the nurse. What seems to be the problem?
I have bloody stools, chills, diarrhea, fever, headache, muscle pains, nausea, and vomit.
Yes, that looks about right. You have salmonellosis. Salmonellosis is when a bacteria called salmonella goes down from what you eat into your intestines and latches itself on. So what did you eat yesterday?
Toast, peanut butter.
Peanut butter. Peanut butter is known to have salmonella. You see, I know this because my daughter is in First Lego League on the group Fellowship of the Brick. And they went and talked with Dr. Roush, a veterinarian. They went on a tour at Jif, a peanut butter company, and talked with David Scally, a chemical engineer. And they found that they could make a better peanut butter. You see, because the leading brands of peanut butter, they use hydrogenated vegetable oil. And that's not very good for you. But brick butter is what they call it, uses extra virgin coconut oil. And the leading brands use sugar. But brick butter has unrefined honey. The leading companies, they use salt, but brick butter has sea salt. And these three quality ingredients, sea salt, unrefined honey, and extra virgin coconut oil, all have bacteria-fighting qualities. So you should use brick butter for your next peanut butter sandwich.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's stop right there. So if Timmy would have used our brick butter, he would have been just fine. Let's rewind and see what would have happened.
Hey Sally, the next week.
Okay, Timmy.
Here's what I got. Peanut butter sandwich.
I got a processed, refined, and chemically engineered Lunchable.
That sounds delicious.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get my chocolate milk.
Well, now that that's over, let's see what would have happened inside the jar.
Ha ha, we made it, those fools.
Yes, Master, but what do we do?
Why, I don't know. I know. Well, don't just stand there. What is it? Leave. Oh,
Oh no, it's coconut oil.
that's right.
Try it today.
Brick butter, salmonella-free guarantee.
Black bag,
Nah.
2 Lego balls, 12-inch pieces of string, 2 12-inch pieces of string, 8 large paper clips. The instructions: as a team, create and describe as many things as you can using the materials provided. The time for activity. Okay. And the Scott Evans rule applies. If the rules don't say you can't, that means you can. Many things you can use using the materials provided. Okay. That means we have to use materials. Create and describe. Okay. Guys, what about the snowman? Just start with something simple.
Well, wait.
Oh, it doesn't stand up here. Yes, Alex, what do you want? Okay. Does anyone have any ideas what we're going to do?
We can make it animal out of the paper first.
Sure. Okay. What is that?
In 3, 2, 1, go! And they go. Motion to the This award recognizes a team that utilizes outstanding programming principles, including clear, concise, and reusable code that allows their robot to perform challenge missions autonomously and consistently. This team's focus on programming the NXT brick is even reflected in their name. Their robot, named Minion, finally gave in and decided to follow its directions. Their doggy or one-way game was quite the fish catcher in today's matches. Congratulations, team 9-5.